Hello people of the world, here we are again and at last I've gotten my second bag. So for today's video, we're gonna try something new. Hindi na muna tayo gagala, instead we're gonna talk some professional things in this video. Yes, professional things. And the challenge is to speak in English. Spoken in English. So we do have a question in here that needed to be answered. Actually, it's been given to me 2 months already, I guess, by our instructor, Ma'am Belandres. So the question is, how might we understand the phrase, the cost of free media, with reference to the notion of the audience commodity? So first of all, what is audience commodity and what is free media? So free media consists of traditional and social media. Traditional media is the television, radio, and print, such as magazines and newspaper. Well, according to Wiley Online Library, audience commodity is the main product produced by media that earn their primary revenues from the advertisers. So these newspapers and magazines are typically very cheap to access for the audience who are buying it, the consumer. And the reason why I said it is very cheap because compared to the economic cost of production, it needs a large amount of money, and the consumer doesn't pay for it. This is when the commercial and advertisement that is being viewed comes in. They were the one who's paying. The media doesn't pay directly to the audience. It is funded by the advertisers who are purchasing the attention of an audience. Therefore, the commodity that media produce is not the product itself but the audience. So the bottom line in here is that the media needs the advertisers and the advertisers need the audience. Just like the commercial need us, the viewers who will buy their product. It is something that the audience become the commodity because without us, the advertisement won't keep going because what they were doing will be useless. Just like that. So I think that's all, I guess. Nakaraos din ako English. Okay, so I hope you understand and goodbye. Chill out and peace.